So, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so in this video we'll be discussing about this particular day, that is 8th September 2025. Okay. As you can see that we had a daily inverse fair value gap up here. Yesterday, I think in Asian section, I think it came to this inverse FPG, like a 4 hour. I don't have any business in London or Asian section, so we will be discussing only things that's gonna happen in New York. Okay. So basically, what you're seeing here is an per hour chart. So we went to that daily fair gap. You had a new week opening gap, a small new week opening gap, and it rallied. And you can see this, what is a volume balance was also inversed, right? And the market came respecting the new week opening gap now. That's all for 4 hours. So on 1 hour, you can see that while coming to this, after coming to this daily fair value here, is respecting the high side, I mean bullish PDRS like this FEG, it is like respecting. Can also see after it took out, I mean this 1 hour fair value gap, right? But this candle, it what do you say? Disrespect this fair value gap, and again came to this IFVG, then it starts to go up. So we can see a clear bullish trend for the New York session. Okay, so I was also concerned about oil or for me today's my extra day my daily bias was bullish. Okay, so after I used to see the charts after 8:30 or 8 o'clock something. So after 8 o'clock, I just there was a really good fair value gap up here, 1 hour fair value gap. I just wanted that thing to come to this for 1 hour fair value gap. Then we will target for this buy side liquidity. Okay. So unfortunately, it didn't came. Okay. Going to 15-minute chart, you can see that 1 hour and 15 minutes was still open. But if you just look closely, we went to this 1 hour inverse daily fair value, hourly fair value gap. Okay, that is this black candle up here, 750. There were no major news was extended. So even if you don't have to wait for 8:30 to take your trades, but I didn't get any powerful setups. Okay, that's the reason I just waited. Now, one second. Okay, fine. So now, here going to a smaller time frame. I'm directly going to 1 minute. Okay, just uh, not that things. Okay, this 1 hour fair value gap. You have to 15-minute order box. I'm considering this black candle plus this black candle 15-minute OB. But it didn't came up there anywhere. Okay, so no problem. I'm directly going to 1 minute. Okay. So your 7 o'clock start somewhere here. And see the lowest low that 7 o'clock created extra day. You can see that here. Okay, but that's fine. And here is your 8:30. Before 8:30, this is the highest high after 7 o'clock. Okay, so this is that 15-minute price action that came to that 1 hour inverse value gap that I talked about. Okay, so you could just take anything from here, and that's up to you. Okay, so I was just waiting for it to take out this low and I come to this 1 hour fair value gap, then for a retracement. I didn't get any kinds of shits there. So here was your highest high after 7 o'clock. Took out the highest high. I just waited, nothing happening. Okay, no much things. Now coming to here, this is the liquidity mode that I have mentioned in 1 hour and that 4 hour. Now this is the recent high plus like structure shift to the downside. Okay, so I was really concerned about this price action here. When this price, what you say, they uh, created a liquidity sweep above and this, I was concerned about this particular fair value gap which goes uh, the liquidity sweep above this particular candle. Okay, if you just see, you see this, these are all small wicks, right? So the amount of sell stop right here is higher compared to here. Okay, so that's the reason I particularly choose this candle. Okay, fine, and it went and took out that high. And for just the note for you, this is also a daily previous day's high and the previous week's high. Okay, so previous week's high and previous day's high was taken out here. Okay, now I just want to go to this 55-minute chart. Okay, so you had this 5 minute fair value gap up here open. You can clearly see it is respect the 5 minute fair value gap up here. Just marking that for information. I will just remove it. Now you have the 5 minute. Fine. And there were some 2 minutes and 1 minute fair value gaps up here. Okay, so my plan was to take something from here and put my stops around here. Okay, so that was my initial plan, but I was not satisfied with that just because you clearly don't only have just a liquidity sweep up here, no clear proper structure sheet or closing below this candle. And on the same time, not the timings, okay. That is 9:35 after 9 o'clock. Okay, so yesterday, this was the previous day high, okay, that Friday. So this high was not taken up in Europe. There you have an SMT with respect to previous days high. I just mark some 50-minute outlook. Don't care about that. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah. So you have an SMT up there. So it is the price is telling that it needs to go lower to create or like what do you say or to take some money to go up higher. Okay, so basically my bias was bearish, sorry, bullish. Okay, the moment it took out this, what do you say, previous days, I was just somewhat confident that okay, I can just look for a short entries where the highest void of liquidity is present. Okay, so when I look at this, I always see this relative loss as a pool of liquidity. Okay, so you had the lowest low of Sandoff, but I'm not concerned about that. Like I just want a good. You can also exit, or you can also what you say, take it as a liquidity void. Okay, so that's why. Okay, now again it went to this 5 minute fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. That's why. Now, how I ended was if it respected this fair value gap, you see the first candle closed above, but the second candle, these kinds of what to say, these kinds of movements shows the a good bearishness. Okay, so I will show you in the down somewhere there. Okay, okay. Now it already respected these areas. This area respected this 1 minute IFEG plus this volume balance also respected. That's fine. So how I entered was you see this small imbalance. After that close without this small imbalance, I just directly ended up on next candle placing my stop above here. Okay. So I don't want the market to go up higher than this to stake my stops. Okay, that's fine. So I entered almost like yeah, 35 or 36 dollar points stop. Then basically take this as your first target. Okay. I'll almost get 3 point something now. But my final target was around here, okay, almost 5.8 I know. What the fucking shit about this is I started to see some shit moments around there. Okay, so uh, I entered some random like bad entries here. That we don't know the matter. Okay, so first entry upon this volume balance, placing our stops here and making my target up there. Okay, so second entry, like a payment entry. Again, after I took out this confirmation close below this low of this candle, and again the candle went up to this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. If you just look at the time, how many times this fair value gap was respected? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost 10, almost for 10 minutes, this fair value gap was respected. That means the amount of money that came in to push the market up was really, really, what do you say, uh, being respected. Okay, so and when this again, when you just look at this price action, okay, at the moment it came up here, how you see any price action like this? This is like bullish mix. The market is saying it needs to go up higher, but when the market goes down below, it is showing a clear, what do you say, bearishness. Okay, so when the next candle came with this, I took the entry. Again, it's the same stop loss. Okay, so the moment it crossed this low and this low, I just moved my stops somewhere there. Okay, I don't just really remember. I think moved the stop from there to here or something like that. Then again, when this low was taken, I just moved my stop from there to this candle side, this black candle's body side. Okay, I just waited. You see, only this much was my target. Okay, it didn't went well. Mm, that was not good, guys. Okay, then again, there was a 15-minute shift here. Went to that 15-minute, but no use. Okay. Okay. So again, I was just holding as it is. After again moving down to this canteen slope, I just placed my stops again from here to here. Again, this one it was kind of respecting. Could have gone, guys, but we should also have some black goals. That's the main thing I think I would say. Again, it moved down here. I just put my stop zero. I don't want to lose more. So I got stopped out at here. Okay. I think that was the business for extra. So at this 8:30 and all, I think taking a good partial is really nice. Okay, then let's the small quantity run over to the final target. That could be good. I think almost I got almost plus 3 R of my entire capital. I mean plus 3 R, 3% of my entire capital. So if you just look at, you see, this is the like what you say point where I just want to exit. Okay, okay, like it's like killing our emotion, guys. We just missed our target up here, right? So it's killing our fucking emotions. How could that one point down could? Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so that was my entire business for extra time. First entry from you could actually enter from somewhere here, making stops here. But for entry confirmation, I just entered from here, making my stops there. Okay, first entry, second entry. Uh, Exited at somewhere over here. Okay, here, somewhere over almost 3 R plus. I think. Wait a second, I will show you. I think almost 3.42 or 3.36 or something like that. I think that's all for today, guys. Extra day, guys. I was really disappointed, and the maximum time that I spent for a day is from almost 7 o'clock to 11:30. That's the maximum time that even if I don't want to trade after like 11:30. Okay, because it's in India. It's hard to. I used to go to sleep at correct 10 or 10:30. That's my max. So I think I got some idea about what I have been taught teach you. Okay, I mean like what I am saying in this video, right? So I think that's all for the day, guys. Again, this week was I think not many big news are there. So even if news are there, no problem. So I think that's all for the day. Just for the execution, I'm just going to fusion markets. So that's my what do you say target. And first entry, I just actually what do you say uh, somewhat I just clicked here. Okay, so I don't know the correct spread and also there is no spread. Okay, because of this 5 second interval, I just got ended up here. Okay, stops here. Again ended on this particular area. This was my first that shit entry that I told about. It doesn't feel good. That's why I exited manually. Okay, so again, both quantities exited from this here when my stop loss it's okay. So We are up by almost 20 percentage on this account. And this was the day, the 25 9 8 September. There you go. 279 and 155. Almost 3 hour plus. It's 4 hour. Okay, fine. I think you got some idea about the trade. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Just want to make it the font. Okay, that's it. Yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. So I think that's all for the video. I just need to upload almost 20-minute video. Okay, so bye.